Okay.
Good evening, viewers. This is Abu Bakar from Nonstop News 9. Today we have got an opportunity to be with the scientist. He's an astronomical scientist, Dr. Raghunandan sir. So there was a program which was here in this Timridge school in Old City, Hyderabad. So let's speak to our beloved scientist, sir. Next, over to sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. So today one excellent program has been organized here. We know that since many days, across the world or on the social media, if you see, there are a lot of stories, a lot of articles were there. Even NASA also has given a release saying that there is an event on 21st of December that is conjunction of Jupiter with Saturn. Okay, so what exactly this means is, basically conjunction means appearance of two or more celestial bodies together in the sky is known as conjunction. So you may say, what is so great about two objects appearing near each other? So basically, if you see today, we have seen how two objects, this Jupiter and Saturn, were so close to each other. Okay, basically that is just an illusion for us, because as seen from Earth, though they appear near to each other, but they are separated by enormous distance. For an example, on an average, if you see today's distance, this Jupiter is approximately some 80 crore kilometer from us, whereas Saturn is some 661 crore kilometer away from us, from Earth. So many crores of kilometers away from us, these two objects are. Then, whereas though they are appearing near to each other, but actually they are also separated by enormous distance. Approximately 77 crore kilometer distance is there between these two objects, but as seen from Earth, they just appear to us as if they are near each other. So this is the speciality of this particular conjunction, and this kind of event has happened somewhere 400 years ago. So today again it has occurred. So what is more important thing is that we can see here we are having students from Telangana Minority Residential School. Basically, Telangana Minority Residential School is the dream project of the present CM over here. So actually he said, if at all any development has to happen, education is the only way where upliftment and advancement of minorities will take place. So saying so, he has not just restricted the schools only for minorities. 70% of the students are minorities and 30% are non-minorities in this. So nearly 204 schools have been established and 72 junior colleges have been established in the state of Telangana. So these students are studying over here, and earlier in 2018, what happened is that some 6 students got an opportunity to present their paper in NASA's conference. So when we went there, some of the local residents of Los Angeles, Mr. Yasir, so he actually wanted to gift a thing to them, and he gifted that astronomical telescope in 2018. So since then till today, we were not able to utilize it, and today we actually inaugurated that one, and today with the help of that telescope, we actually saw this two celestial bodies. So normally what happens is that when we were studying in the school, myself or most of the parents who are watching this video, when they were studying in the school, they never had an opportunity to see a telescope at least. Right. Forget seeing through the telescope. At least they never got an opportunity. So that is, and in that case, now we have the students over here. They got the opportunity not only to see the telescope, but see through the telescope. That too, when crores of people across the world are eager to see what is happening. So definitely, this kind of initiatives have to be taken place in almost all the districts, all the states of our country, because these kinds of celestial events have the tendency to ignite the scientific temper among them and also inspire them to be the future scientists. That exactly was what our Dr. Kalam sir's vision was. He said that in 20 to 30 years, our people will be able to land on the surface of Moon, go to Mars, like that. So that was his great vision. But you cannot just say words and keep quiet. So we need to have series of activities. We need to encourage, and we need to expose these children to various technologies. Like you have a lot of rocket models and all those things. So in due course, we will be doing that also with our Kalam Smriti International Organization. We'll be Planetary Society India will be closely working with them. Not only that, I would request Kalam Smriti International to take an initiative, take up the objective to set up at least one museum in this one of the 204 minority residential schools to fulfill the vision of Dr. Kalam. So anyhow, for people, they don't think that this is just one single day event. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or till end of this year, or up till first week of January. 3rd or 4th of January, every day after 6:30, if you look towards west direction, you will see two non-twinkling objects. So this one of the brightest one among them is Jupiter, and the dimmer one is Saturn. So you can observe this planet, and not only that, every day after sunset, if you look towards west and just raise your head above and look up at the sky, you will see one reddish object, that is planet Mars. So presently, Mangalyaan Mars orbiter mission, which was launched in 2013, it's still in Mars orbit and still it is trending work. Not only that, Chandrayaan 2 also, though Vikram lander failed to land soft land, but it's also still working and sending a lot of data. Definitely these students will be the future astronauts, and we need to encourage them. Thank you.
And one more thing, sir, due to your great effort, it was a great opportunity for school, mostly the peoples. They says they move on to the other schools like private schools, but due to your effort, these from the Timris, Telangana minority school students have got a big opportunity and a great opportunity through your effort. So it's a great you.
We
Yeah,
need to just correct a
definitely.
little bit.
Definitely, sir.
Actually, I am the director of Planetary Society of India.
Okay.
So basically, this particular entire institution is on the shoulders of Dr. Our A.K. Khan sir, who had a very IPS officer. He had a very distinctive role in protecting the peace and law and order of the state. So presently, he is the chairman of this particular society. Dr. Shafiullah sir, Mr. Shafiullah, who is an IFS officer. So he, under his guidance, and both these gentlemen, both these officers' guidance, this entire institution is running. Basically, it is a vision of Mr. Shafiullah sir that his students should go and work in ISRO. So his objective is that. So when he is having this objective, once I happen to go and meet him, sir, we should have, if you want to, our country requires a lot of scientists. So please expose these children to astronomy. Not only encouraged us to teach astronomy, but also he was responsible for these children to go to NASA also. So definitely the credit goes to Shafiullah sir and A.K. Khan sir. Earlier in 2018, in a public function of Iftar party at LB Stadium, there also the Honorable CM recognized the effort of both these officers. So definitely it is their vision and mission which is motivating us, and definitely we are all there. There are many organizations like this in Hyderabad. A lot of national institutions of national importance are there. So all these children should get an opportunity to visit them. Not only NASA, and not only that, in 2019, students of this institution, they also happened to see Chandrayaan 2 mission live. We have taken them to Sriharikota. So definitely with our Agirappa sir and with the Smriti Kalam Smriti International, definitely we'll also see we'll visit Tirunavarampuram, and we'll also see the facilities over there. So let us hope that opportunity comes through him.
Yeah,
Definitely.
sure.
So we were just talking with our beloved scientists. So it was a great honor and pleasure for us, and of course for all the students from this Timris school. Actually, most of the people thinks that the government school are not being educated in a proper way. So this is one of the great thing which has happened today here in this Timris school. So this is Abu Bakar from Non-Stop News 9 signing off. Thank you very much.
For more news updates, please subscribe our channel Nijam News India, Hyderabad.